My heart aches, and a sleepy coldness bathes my sense, as if some poison I had drunk, or emptied some lessening drug to the drains. 1 minute passed, and Lethe I had sunk. It's not through envy of your happy band, but being too happy in your happiness, that you, like wings, goddess of trees, in some melodious land of green trees and with shadows numberless, sing in summer in a full voice with ease.
Oh, for a swallow of wine that has been cooled for a long time in the deepest earth, tasting of flora and the country green, dance and a French land song and savant green. Oh, for a vessel full of the warm south, full of truth, the red inspiring fountain with small bubbles winking on the cup's brim, and purple stained mouth that I might drink and leave the world unseen, and with you fade away into the forest dim.
Lose myself, disappear, forgetting on the leaves you'd never know, the weariness, the fever, and the fret. Here, where men sit and hear each other groan, where old age shakes a few sad, last gray hairs, where youth grow old and fade away and die, where your spirit is full of sorrow and your heavy eyes are in despair, where beauty cannot keep its brilliant eyes and new love will perish without hope tomorrow.
Away, away, for you will fly with me, charioted not by the god of wine and his part, but by the viewless wings of poetry. Though the slow brain perplexes only thought, already with you kind is command, and the full moon is happily on her throne, surrounded by all her fairy stars. But here there is no light, only when from heaven the breeze is blown through the dark green mossy paths.
I cannot see what flowers are at my feet, nor what of incense hangs upon the boughs, but in preserved darkness is it sweet, with which the seasonable mountain dows the grass, the thicket, and the fruit tree white hawthorn, and pastoral eglantine, fast vanished violets covered up in leaves, and mid-May's eldest charm, the coming masquerade, full with dew wine, the murmurous haunt of flies and sunbeams.
Obscure, I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love calling death, murmuring soft names in many rhymes, to take into the air my quiet breath. Now, more than ever seems it reached to die, ceasing upon midnight with no pain, while your song fills your soul abroad in such an ecstasy. Still would you sing, and I have ears in vain, to your high requiem become a sod.
You were no born to death, immortal Lord. No hungry generations tread you down. The voice I heard this passing night was heard in ancient days by emperor and clown. Perhaps just the same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth, when sick for home she stood in tears in middle of the alien home. The same that oftentimes has charmed magic windows, opening on the phone of dangerous seas, in fairy lands forlorn.
Forlorn. The very word is like a bell, to toll me back from you to my soul self. Farewell. Fancy cannot cheat so well, as fame does, deceiving else. Farewell. Your grievous anthem fades, past the near meadows, over the stream, up the hillside, and now is buried deep in the next valley glades. Was it a vision or a waking dream? fled is the music. Am I awake or asleep?